We're live to Mike Meridian at BMO Investorline. Hi, Mike.
Good afternoon, Libby.
So, another record on the TSE.
Another record it is, yes. We had a great day here in Toronto and across North America, in fact. The techs were strong and pretty much everything was strong except for oil and gas, which kind of took a breather after a strong rally that it's had in the last few months.
And what were the market standouts here in Canada?
The great areas today were the communication stocks, the banking stocks, and a lot of the big conglomerates. The banks, for example, were up over $1 across the board as they bounced back from Friday's dip that was caused by the U.S. banks. So we had a lot of strong names. High volume by Nortel. JDU was up over $8.50. And just across the board, everything was quite strong as there was no economic numbers released today. So investors were focused more on news, such as the Nortel alliance with Hewlett-Packard, and company earnings and just general news. So the economic numbers were not a factor today.
And what were the newsmakers in the U.S.?
We had an earnings scare from Honeywell, which managed not to shake up the market. It was down over $8, I believe. But in general, the numbers from the chip makers, such as Intel and AMD, very strong today. Those companies benefited with numbers over $8, increasing $8 each. And that general enthusiasm flowed into the other stocks, such as Nokia, Merrill Lynch, or Eli Lilly, which all posted new 52-week highs today. So a broad kind of increase in all sectors. It wasn't just one area that was leading the charge today. We had a lot of strong areas across the market. What
should we be watching out for in the days ahead?
Tomorrow we have economic numbers coming out of the States, the big and the usually scary number, the U.S. deficit numbers coming out. And we also have earnings coming out from Oracle, Goldman Sachs, and I believe Micron Technology. So again, Micron and Oracle both slapped on 33 points today, 3 points in their numbers. So there's some enthusiasm going into the earnings for these stocks, and the financials also did well. So we'll have to see if, when the earnings come out, the numbers keep going up if the markets keep doing well. And again, the U.S. deficit numbers, which have haunted the markets before, we'll see how that comes into play tomorrow morning.
Okay, so we'll be watching for those. Mike Meridian, thanks for joining us. And we're heading for a quick break.